Hi, Miss Woody here with Drawing One. I am making this video for my online art class and my in-person online Drawing One class as well. So this is just going to be a general email or video for all of you guys. I want to take a minute and just catch up from the week. We had a great first week. I'm really proud of you guys. And I know you guys have had a lot of questions and also had a lot of ups and downs, which is normal. We're experiencing that as teachers as well. So we have to work together and be patient. And so I'm going to put all of the due dates for everything on Sunday because I've noticed a couple things have not been turned in, and we're going to talk about that in just a second. I want you guys to pay attention to our classroom here in Schoology. And I want you guys to notice right here, Q&A. This is at the top for a reason. I've been getting a lot of emails, and while I appreciate your questions, a lot of them are the same that other people are sending. And so my email inbox is getting very full, and it's tricky to pay attention to work-related emails and separate from student emails and find them all and answer them all. So I would like you guys to post your questions here because it will help other people answer their questions before they try to send an email as well. So put your questions and answers here, please. Scrolling down, I want you guys to notice that week 1 is labeled the 7th through the 13th. I am not sure if this folder will disappear on the 13th. It could. I'm still learning that part. So make sure that by 10 o'clock you've gone in and filled everything out by 10 o'clock. After that, I won't grade it. It's going to be graded at 10 o'clock or by 10 o'clock. So if you guys open this folder, you will see Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I put that stuff in folders to help you pace yourself on this online learning adventure. Help you guys designate time every day to log in and do a 30 to 45 minute art activity, just like you would in school. If you've done that, thank you. If you have not done that, I want you to build a routine and a schedule in your day to do that, because otherwise you're going to create a routine and fall out of that lack of routine and then fall behind in your coursework. And that's not a good feeling for you. It's not a good feeling for me. And I want you guys to be able to keep up with your work and turn your work in when it's accepted. These things are, according to my late work policy, the only thing that can be turned in late are major projects. Those are projects that we would do that turn to be big projects that have taken a couple days to complete, like a paper bag drawing. Otherwise, all of these other things are time-sensitive daily tasks that are given a day and you should be doing each day. In your Tuesday folder, these are your assignments. I always have an agenda, and then you have a syllabus agreement form. Fill that out. That's you agreeing to participate in this class and follow the rules. Digital classroom scavenger hunt. Fill that out. That's you showing me that you know where to find things. A sketchbook assignment. I love those. You guys did great, and I put some of them up here. So way to go. Those are awesome. Wednesday, supply kit checklist. That's you letting me know that you've completed your supply checklist and that you have everything. If you don't have something, you're going to tell me there, and I'm going to find a way to get it to you. Thursday and Friday. This was a big day because I just kind of lumped a lot of things in there. Online expectations. It's an assignment. You're agreeing to the online expectations. If you don't, then I know right away you're not ready to be an online learner. We're going to have a talk with other people besides you and me. So fill that out. Right now, I think in one class I have one person that filled that out. How to take a photograph of your artwork. This is a fun photograph adventure. It's an assignment to help teach you composition and teach you how to plan your artwork and take photos of your artwork, which is very important. It's the only way I see your artwork. This is a step-by-step tutorial. This is an assignment, anything with this page and a pencil. Digital portfolio setup. That's blank pages for now. Set up so that as we create artwork, We plug in our pictures there. You are only making your own template, and you'll post it here and then add pictures as we create stuff. Sketchbook setup. You need a sketchbook. You have to have a sketchbook. That's the only way I can grade you on this class, is all of your work in your sketchbook. So go get a sketchbook. If you don't have a sketchbook, you need to let me know, because I have some extras that people have left in the past years. I can clean one up, send it to the office, and have you guys pick it up. And it does need to be a video. I want it to be a video because I want to hear your voices. I want to hear you talk about your sketchbook, and I want to see you flip those pages and show me that you've set it up. I don't want it to just be a picture of one page. I want to see that you took time to do it all. Optional sketchbook cover. This is fun. That's for you to just enjoy. I want to say that somebody else created the cover of this. Someone else got paid to create the cover of this. Do you want that to be your journal cover? Or do you want to make your journal cover personalized for you? I personally don't like this cover, but, you know, I would decide to decorate it if I had time. Right down here is Parent Back to School. That's it. That's what you have to do this week. If you have not done those things, I'm going to post it until Sunday. And then I'm going to open up week 2. And you can see I have all these weeks all set up. Week 2 will be ready for you guys to go. So to kind of go back here, can't figure this out. I've got all of these weeks. And you guys, I'm going to release 1 week at a time. So with that said, please get online. Make sure that you're doing your assignments. I've already had a lot of people not do those things. I'm going to be sending out parent emails saying, hey, you know what? We've got this past due. Turn these things in. Once I set up my grade book and get all of that set up, I'll start plugging in zeros. So keep up with your work. It's part of being an online learner. I wore this shirt today. No mistakes, just happy accidents. Okay, I wore that on purpose because I understand we all make mistakes. And we have to learn. We have to be happy along the process. And we have to learn that, you know what, mistakes are just happy accidents, but we just can't always make the same one. You know, so this has been a trial week and learning, oh, I have to check folders daily, or I have to watch those due dates at the bottom. Those are happy accidents. They're mistakes, but happy accidents. But if you keep not paying attention to your due dates, those mistakes aren't so happy anymore. They start really getting penalized, and you don't need that. So email me if you have questions outside of the course content. Otherwise, the course content, those emails, just put them in those discussion panels so that everyone can see those questions and maybe help answer other people's questions along the way and ease that stress on other people too. So I hope you guys have a great weekend, and I'll see you guys on Monday.